Corner District Community Group by way of Friends and Family of Northern Clarendon. Yes, we're going to put together our GoFundMe page to fund a greenhouse to create jobs in the community and also pay some of the active members in the community group, and also to fund some of the projects like this road that we're standing on and other projects that we need more funds to complete and even start. We believe that the greenhouse will be very profitable and productive because of the various things we can grow into the greenhouse. You understand? Yeah, man, if you look at this lane here, it's one of the most major projects we've done. And if you look at it, you can't really get the appreciation of what we've done already unless you see where it was at before. Yeah. But this is one of the projects we also want to get funding from. And once we create the greenhouse, this is part of what is going to funding and fixing. There's another road up there too we want to connect to, and there's another road over here we want to connect to, and there's another one down here as well.
Man. So it's a major accomplishment, just coming through here. We have traveled through this way before me born. Miss Rita is right there. You have a lot of elderly people live on this lane. So this road is going to be a major development in the community. So people can be, more protected, more safe, every way. So every donation is appreciated and is going to go back in the community. So the greenhouse donation is very, very well needed and is very, very appreciated by all. Yep.